In this video, I will show you how to add a new page to your Shopify store, whether it's an About Us page, a shipping policy page, or any other custom page. From the sidebar, click on Online Store, then select Pages. Now, click on Add Page to create a new page. In the title field, enter the page name, such as Shipping Policy or About Us. In the content box, add the text or images you want to include on the page. You can also format the text and add links as needed. If you want to publish the page immediately, keep the visible option enabled. If you prefer to publish it later, choose Hidden or schedule the publishing for a specific time. In the template section, you can choose Default Page, suitable for standard pages like About Us and Privacy Policy. Contact automatically adds a contact form for the Contact Us page. Once you're done, click Save. To preview the page, click View. How to delete a page. If you want to delete a page, go back to the Pages list, select the desired page, then click Delete Page at the bottom and confirm. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.